All right, hello everyone. So let's do a wrap up for the 9th to the 13th of February. Now remember, 9th to the 13th of Feb, I posted them on the 29th of January. Here are the trading days: Tuesday, Thursday for gold, Thursday or Friday euro dollar, Bitcoin, Monday or Tuesday, and Thursday or Friday. SP 500 Tuesday or Wednesday, Dow Jones Monday and Friday, Nasdaq Monday and Friday. And here are the trading hours, also posted in January. As you can see, this is Monday, this is Tuesday. Also check out the comments in between, don't just go by the hours, because they will help you follow the trade and give you an idea of what might happen in the market. This is Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Okay, so let's take a look. You can take a screenshot and check them out as well according to whatever you've traded. The hours are same for everything, so let's do it. Okay, so now here we've got the daily. All right, so Tuesday, Thursday. Now as you can see, this is Tuesday and Thursday for gold. I've also made the daily videos you see in the members area available to everybody yesterday, so you can check them out as well. If you go to Vimeo, you can find them there, GlobalTrader.Club on Vimeo. So here's that. Now, as you know, if you watch the videos, you will know as well that I was long on gold. So I figured this is like a runner. So on Tuesday, Thursday, I want to push up. But Thursday also, being high, it could also turn around, and that is known to us, right? So we can turn around as well. So the stop loss was really tight, but I wanted to push it to the upside. And this line, the channel here, I drew beforehand so I could see, where to get in, where to get out on the trading days as well. So market fell into that low on a Thursday, and I did mention the closing of Thursday or the target of Thursday as well, as you can see. And I also did say Thursday will be volatile. If you take a look here, right? So Thursday, 4:40 to 5:45. This is my time. Obviously, it's UTC +3, right? I'm in Turkish zone. I'm in Antalya, in Turkey, and this is UTC +3, right? So on Thursday, this is going to be New York morning, right? 4:40 to 5:45, and on the platform, it's an hour behind. So the market just at that hour, boom, to the downside. If you check the indices as well, you'll see all the indices went down at the same time in those hours because they were the trading hours. Okay, so that's on Thursday, and the market, as you can see, closed all the way there. Friday opened up a little bit, and Thursday being a trading day, market just sizzled to the upside. Okay, a bit of a pullback here again, pre-trade session in New York, and then New York just taking it up nice and easy into the target zones. Okay, if you take a look at Bitcoin, let's take a look at all of them. Just match your trading days and your hours. Now you can see Bitcoin Monday or Tuesday and Thursday or Friday. So this is your Thursday or Friday. Nice and easy. Thursday makes a low. Friday market goes up. Monday, Tuesday. This is Monday. Tuesday. All right, selling off into Thursday, and then Friday trading day. If you take a look at your hours, let's take a look at the hours. Where are we? Thursday. This is Thursday. The hours are already there. As you can see, this is the market. New York falling down, coming into the closing, and then Friday market picking up. Let's check out the Friday hours. Put a few lines there to see how it went in London and New York. Now look, 11:15 my time is going to be just around London opening. 11:15 should be. This is your 11:15 there. But the platform is an hour behind, so that's going to be 10:15, isn't it? it's gonna be there. 10:15, the market starts going up nice and easy. All right, going all the way into there. And in New York, what's the New York? The 425, 545. That's pre-trade session. 330, 425. So it's 230, 325. 230 is there. 325 is on that bar. So the market, as you can see, is breaking out at that hour. Okay, it's all sideways, 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 and then a big boom, big boom, breaking to the upside. And now I've got 545, which is 445 on the platform. Let's see where 445 is. Oh, beautiful. 445, rocket time, going all the way into there. What have I said about that? Target 920, 1040. So it's going to be 940 max on the platform. 940. This is your 940 bar there. And then the market sizzles out. It's all fine. 940, 820 as well. So I had 820 to 940, and this is 820 bar there. So the market is pretty much there. Let's take a look at the euro dollar. Before we go, what about Monday or Tuesday sell-offs? Right, let's check it out. So we had Monday trading day. That's your Monday, all right? Monday. So market does a big fall, comes back into retracement at the trade hours. Remember, the vertical lines are trading hours. Market retraces, sells off again. And Tuesday, Asia session just lets it go. And that's it. Okay, this is the New York session. Not really relevant because it's already done all the big pushes down. Here it's just a bit of a sell-off. Wednesday, again, sell-off. Wednesday at the low, picking up into Thursday. New York Thursday, sell-off at the right hours. And Friday, market starts to push to the upside. So let's take a look at the euro dollar. Now with the euro dollar, what do we have? Thursday or Friday. All right, so we had Thursday or Friday. The only thing we could do here was to wait. If the market came down to where we wanted to buy, we could buy. It did not do that. Okay, so not to worry. What happens when you're in a situation like this? Easy. If you haven't found the trade, but you trade the euro dollar, go to the next week. See when the next trading day is for next week and plan ahead. You don't have to trade if there's no setup. Okay, let's take a look at SP 500. With the SP 500, Tuesday or Wednesday, trading days. Let's get into Tuesday or Wednesday. Tuesday trading hours. Okay, bang. Wednesday trading hours, bang down. Thursday trading hours, bang down, coming all the way into Friday, and that's it. Okay, so from there on, Tuesday, Wednesday, coming all the way into Friday. Dow Jones Monday, Friday, Nasdaq Monday, Friday. Let's check them out. Dow Jones. Now with Dow Jones, it was a little tricky this week, and I did say it's tricky, prefer something else. In fact, I said Nasdaq is a better option. And this is your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So Monday is there, market high. In the videos, I said the only thing you can do is if it comes back to close gap, you can buy, because we had a breakout to the upside. But as you can see, the market bang into Friday. Okay, so that was from last week. Then we had Monday, then falling into Friday. NASDAQ, now this week I thought NASDAQ was the better way to go because it was at the right setup for me at 37.5, which we talked about. That was a trading day, pushed all the way into Friday, nice and easy. So Monday into Friday, all there. And if you check the trading hours, look, this is Thursday, New York session Wednesday, Tuesday, that's London, that's New York pushing down, and that's basically it. All right, what about Monday? Let's see what happened on Monday. On Monday, the market was not high, but what do we have? Let's say 825 can be pushy leading to 10. So 725 into 9. 725. This is your 725 into 9 o'clock. So a bit pushy into 9 o'clock. Not a lot of pushiness, but. And then to 1225, which is 1125. And then pushing into 1125 is there. Okay, and that's then. Next is 345, which is 245. 245. This is 245 there. Okay, so that's the initial push. Market pulls back, going into 845 to 1140. So it's going to be 745. 745 is there. $10.40 is there. All right, so from there, market pushing up, bit of a pullback, and then bang in there. Okay, so Monday is a bit tricky, but in any case, if you wanted to sell, because we want to sell, right? You want to sell in the zone. So 37.5, as you can see, the market also didn't breach that. So it was good to sell Thursday as well. Thursday, Friday, very good to sell because Friday was a trading day. All right, Friday, trading day for Dow Jones and NASDAQ. And if the market is, let's do this. If the market is up, okay, you can sell into that next trading day, which is going to be like Friday. And that's basically it. Okay, you can check those hours, like I said, for anything, whatever you're trading. The trading hours are fixed for everything. Other than that, though, the trading days are specific for every asset. As you can see, sometimes we get different days for the indices, despite the fact that they all go together. All right. Hope that helps. Have a great weekend and a great week ahead.